What do you mean by multiplication, children? Multiplication.
Ma'am, Preetham join now only, ma'am.
Here, please don't disturb the class. If you have joined, just start listening. Don't write anything. First, listen. See here, you need to. There are 4 operations in the math. What are the 4 operations, children? One is
Division.
One is addition,
Addition. Subtraction.
multiplication,
Multiplication.
and division.
And division.
Okay.
I not joined in previous class, ma'am.
Yeah. Now see here. So we have 4 operations and we have already finished on 2 operations, 2 chapters, that is addition and subtraction. Now we are into multiplication. And on that day, I have given you the homework to do page number 66. And I explained to you that how to, and if suppose the same number, suppose 3 is repeating here. Now what will be the answer for this? 3 is repeating for how many times, children?
4 times.
So 4 times. So what will be your answer? 4 3 is repeating. 4 3 is your answer will be 12. In this way, we need to do this. Next, I am going to explain you how to multiply a number. First, with a 1-digit number, how will you multiply? Don't write anything. Okay, now see here. Suppose we are going with 32. It should be multiplied with 6. Okay, and this is 1's column, 10's column, next comes 100's column. There we have, here we have included only 3 columns, 1's, 10's, 100's. So now what we have to do, how to multiply number means, take the down number. What is the down number here? Down number is 6.
Ma'am, we need to write, ma'am.
Children, who is the children? I said not to. Just listen.
Ma'am,
All of you keep on mute. Everybody. Now see here. And Sannidhi, please sit at one place. Don't move. Now see here. 6 is in 1's place. So multiply, take this number 6 and multiply it with 1's column number on top. So first you need to go with this number. You have to multiply 6 and 2. 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. So when we get 2 numbers, 12 means you have to carry over this 1 here and 2 should be written in the 1's column itself. Okay, why? Because we are multiplying with 1's column number. So your answer should be kept at 1's column itself. Next what we have to do is, after multiplying with 1's column number, now multiply 6 with the 10's column number. Okay, that means 6 3s are. You have to go and multiply these two numbers. 6 3s are 18. 18, and you have to check whether any carryover numbers are there or not. If any carryover numbers are there, don't forget to add it. 6 3s are 18. 18
plus 1, 19.
So don't carry over the next number again. Okay, why? Because here there is no number in hundreds column. So what will you do? If you carry over also, it's fine, but no need to carry over. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So directly put the answer here, 19. 1 in hundreds column, 9 in tens column. It becomes 19. Now the answer, final answer is 119. Okay. And now check here the numbers which we are multiplying. Here this is called as, what do you call this number, children? This is called as multiplicand. What do you call?
Multiplicand. Multiplicand.
This is called as multiplier.
Multiply.
and the answer here is called as product.
Product.
Okay, the upper number is called as multiplicand, the down number is called as multiplier, and the answer in the multiplication is called as product.
Product.
Now next, now I think you understood how to in what way we denote the numbers. Now what we have to do is I'm going to say you about the properties of multiplication. Now see here, take suppose what is the first property of the multiplication means. See here, the first property of multiplication is whenever we multiply any number with 0, if we are doing the product of one number and the other number if it is 0, always the product will be, the result will be 0. Okay, see here, suppose I am taking 9 and with 9 if I am multiplying 0, then our answer will be what? 0.
Zero.
Okay.
0.
And you
Zero.
take now we let us take a big number, that is 326. And if when you are multiplying 326 with 0, then also our result will be
326.
who is that?
0.
0. Kartikeya,
0, ma'am.
see here, whenever
Ma'am, we should write it.
don't write. Whenever you multiply any number with 0, always our result will be 0 only. Is it
Okay, ma'am.
for you? In addition,
Okay, ma'am.
when you add for one, if any number, if you add 0, you get the number itself. But in multiplication, you get 0 only. If 0 is multiplied means definitely your answer should be 0 only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the first property of your multiplication. Did you understand the first property?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
property. Next, moving on with the second property. When you multiply any number with 1 and your result will be the number itself. Here, suppose I am taking the number 25 and 25 into 1. When you multiply with 1, then you get the number itself. 25 answer.
25.
25. That means you get the number itself. Is it clear? If you multiply with 0,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
result will be 0. When you multiply with 1, your result will be the number itself. With whichever number you are multiplying 1, the same number you will get it in the product. This is the second property of multiplication. First property is when you multiply with 0, the result is 0. When you second property, when you multiply with 1, then you get the number itself. That is the second property. Now into the third property. Now see here, take any two numbers. The order of the numbers, the change in the order of the numbers will not change the product.
25.
Product means answer. Now see here, suppose I am taking 2 into 3. What is the answer for 2 3s, children?
6.
6.
6. Now what I am doing is I am interchanging the numbers. I am taking 2 to the next place and 3 to the first place, and I am multiplying 3 2s. Then what will be your answer?
6.
Then now we got the same answer. We got the same answer. That means though you interchange means the places are changed, but the numbers are repeating, the same numbers are multiplied again. If their places are interchanged, the order is interchanged, then also our product, our answer in the multiplication is same. Okay, is it clear what I'm saying? The change
Yes, ma'am.
of the numbers will change the product value. Now see here. Okay, now see here what is there. I said three properties in multiplication. What are the three properties? First property, start with 0. What is that first property, children?
Multiply with 0. When we multiply any number is 0 and our answer will be 0.
Okay, good boys.
You
When I
multiply.
multiply any number with 0, the result will be 0 only. That is the first property. Now, say me the second property.
When we multiply any number, the answer will be same.
When you multiply 1 to any
Multiply
number,
any number with
it
1,
will be the same.
the result
And
is the number
When
itself.
we
Okay?
when we multiply with 1, same number will come.
Yeah, when you multiply with 1, the number remains as it is. Now, what is the third property of multiplication?
Though we interchange the two numbers,
The order of the numbers.
they don't change the value of the answer.
Yeah. Yeah.
They don't change the value of the product.
Ananya, I think you have a net issue. There is a lot of disturbance when you keep in unmute. See here, the change in the order of the numbers when two or more numbers are taken and if their order is interchanged, then also our result remains same. Okay, this is the third property of multiplication. Now, all of you, what you do is, have you all completed page number 66 in your textbook, which is given for homework?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And today's your homework is you need to complete page number 69. Page number 69 is your homework. And even page number 68 and 69 is your homework. 68 is based on... Okay, you need to do 68 and 69.
Ma'am, what is point 2?
Huh? Okay, now see here. Now all of you take out your classwork. Take out your classwork. See here, if you are not able to do any of your homework, if you are not able to do after your try, then I will see the class. Without trying, don't keep the homework as it is. I want everyone to do the homework. Is it clear what I am saying? Everybody has to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Say me any excuse. I went there, I went here. Don't say me all that.
Ma'am, I didn't hear it, ma'am. Can you say it again? Can you say it again, ma'am?
Page 68 and 69 is your homework. Do it. Okay, now all of you take out your classworks fast. Take out your classworks.
Ma'am, I take my classwork.
Now keep the heading chapter 6 multiplication.
Ma'am, I should take out our notebook and write.
Yes. Now see here children, whichever the numbers we are multiplying, once all of you look onto the board.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am,
Yes, who is that? I am saying right. Asking the same question again. Open your classworks, everybody. Put today's date. What is today's date, children? It is 17-12-20. Even in your index page, you write chapter 6, multiplication.
Ma'am, I didn't write chapter 10.
Why you didn't write then? Were you absent?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is your duty. I have sent the notes in WhatsApp and I made you to write it even in the study hour. Children, write neatly, okay? Keep the heading little big. Chapter 6. Check your multiplication spelling properly. On top of your red line, you need to keep the heading. The process of repeated addition is called the multiplication.
Ma'am, for example, we should leave a line.
Yeah, leave one line. Children, write till here. It's enough. Then I will write one problem on the board. You please copy that problem.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down, ma'am?
See here, those who have completed this, whatever I'm writing on the board, you copy this from this one. See here, I'm taking one example here, one more.
Ma'am, we should write.
Yeah, right after that notes, whatever I'm showing after this one, A and B point, you copy from the board now, this one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Finished? Those who have finished from the board, You copy down the properties of multiplication, children, from your textbook also you have. Copy down the properties of multiplication.
We have to copy on the page number.
67. Page number 67, you copy down properties. With at least two examples. In each cloud, there are 3-4 examples. You write two for each point.
Ma'am, we have to write when a number
Those
is
who have completed.
that also, ma'am.
That only you have to write. You have 3 points under properties of multiplication with examples in the clouds. So from each cloud, you take two examples.
And we should
write.
Yeah, you write. Did you all copy, those who have completed from this? Did you copy from the board this problem? Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Did you write this?
Ma'am, that one is also, we should write that too.
See here, first all of you complete whatever I am showing on the screen. 5 and 6 are called factors. After that, you copy from the board. This example, after this, you go with the properties.
Ma'am, we have to leave line for example.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which page? What is page number?
Page 67. Jyotish?
Ma'am, page 57 in the clouds, we should copy clouds.
Copy first the box. First point in the box. If you do you have one point in the first box?
Yes, ma'am.
After that point, then you have to go with the first cloud. Two examples you write. Then write the second point from the second box. Then from the cloud you copy 2 examples. Shall I, children?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Who is that?
Prachod, ma'am.
What you have completed? What did you complete? Say me.
Ma'am, we should write all the 3 properties.
Yeah, all the 3 properties with two examples each.
Okay.
Prachur, did you finish this one? Whatever the notes I'm sharing, 30 is called.
Yes, ma'am.
After this, did you copy from the board? Multiplicand, multiplier, product.
Ma'am, I copied also, ma'am.
Then you write, go with properties.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after in 5 into 6 is equals to 30. For A and B, we have to leave line.
No need.
Okay, ma'am.
Yuvan, what are you writing? Yuvan,
Ma'am, can you write it on the board, ma'am?
what should I write?
The 3 properties.
Why don't you have textbook? Now shall I scroll these, children? Shall I scroll the notes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Make it fast.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, you can scroll. Ma'am, before we should write that. that book.
Yeah, from the board you write. After that notes, from the board you write this, copy this one.
Ma'am, can you share that notes?
Who
Can
is
you
that?
screenshot?
How long will you write? More 2 minutes only I will give you. You need to copy it fast.
Okay.
Lekha, what are you doing? Finish writing.
I write that notes, ma'am, and writing board in board.
From the board, right? Copy it fast. Children, in multiplication, what you call the upper number?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am. Ma'am, from the textbook. Ma'am, we should take out our notebook. We should take out our textbook.
Yes.
And what we should do?
Write the properties from page 67.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write properties of multiplication or directly write.
Keep the heading properties of multiplication and copy down all the 3 points with example. One or two examples each.
Ma'am?
Yes.
When we for the examples and the properties, it take 1 page, ma'am. Properties of multiplication, can I write in the next page?
Yeah. Properties, you start it in the next page. In 1 page, after this board one, in the next page, you start properties of multiplication.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Who is that?
can you share the screen? The 6, the process of
The notes, ma'am.
Then why you are not writing? How long will you take?
Ma'am, mine is completed, ma'am, in the word.
Who is that? Who is that who has completed?
I'm Srilekha, ma'am.
Did you finish properties notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then try to do today's homework.
Ma'am, I also complete, ma'am. I'm Dhruva. Ma'am, what is today's homework?
You need to do page number 8 and 69 in your textbook.
Homework is 68 and 69.
Yes. Children, better.
Ma'am, I complete notes, ma'am.
Here, I think it's not 68. Go with 69 and 72. It will be better. 69 and 72, same pattern problems. 69
Ma'am?
and 72.
Ma'am, tell me again, ma'am.
69 and 72.
Scroll up, ma'am. Ma'am, write on the board, ma'am.
Do page 69 and 72 as your homework.
Down, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll up? Down, ma'am.
Here, who is that? What?
Ma'am, can you keep it to that only? Ma'am, you send it in WhatsApp otherwise?
What should I send?
That one, the notes.
Why? Already I gave you time.
Ma'am, I'll check my wrong words.
Ma'am, we should write this in the notes.
In textbook.
Properties of
Properties,
multiplication.
yeah, you need to write it in classwork in the fresh page. After multiplicand, multiplier, product notes, you have to keep in the next page properties of multiplication and write it.
Open notes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I finished the first property.
this
For
in
the
CW.
example, we have to
Yes.
leave 9.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we should write this in CW.
Yes, you have to write
Notebook?
it. Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
What up you want? Which one you want? Up means?
Ma'am, can you move aside?
Multiplication.
Ma'am, we can write in first one, we can write examples, our wish.
Yeah, your wish, write two examples from one cloud.
Okay.
Ma'am,
3 point.
Ma'am, can we write our own like,
Yeah, you can write on your own, but it should be correct.
okay.
And Nihal, what were you doing all this time? Did you start the notes in classwork? Nihal,
ma'am,
did you start the notes in classwork? See, all this time you were somewhere else and now you came in the middle and asking where should I write?
నాకు one eraser, one sharpener, John eraser, one sharpener.
ma'am,
Yes. See here, those who have completed properties notes, you do today's homework I kept there. Page 69 and 72 should be done in your textbook homework. So you can start your homework.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you show the process?
Huh? What you want?
Yeah. Process. The process of.
Why? What were you doing all this time? Take a shot, a screenshot.
Ma'am, I'm fast, ma'am.
Video maker. అంటే యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియోస్ ఎక్కువ పెడతారు కదా ఆ వీడియోస్ కి లైక్ Ma'am, I finished properties of addition.
Do today's homework. I wrote on the board on top. You can see it from the board. I said you to do to the 2 pages as your homework. You can start your homework. See here, those who are late to complete all this, you have to do it. Properties and everything, you have to finish it. Because though the
Ma'am,
given, if you are not able to complete, you have to complete on your own.
ma'am, I have completed it, ma'am. I'm writing on the board now. Am I complete, ma'am?
Who is that? Who is writing from the board?
Am I complete, ma'am? I Satvik.
Satvik, what did you finish? Properties finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then you can do your homework because only
ma'am.
1 or 2 minutes is there.
I complete my homework, ma'am.
Homework also completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then do that page number 68 properties. Page number 68 in textbook if you are able to do based on properties.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm writing on board. Ma'am, you wrote on board, no, ma'am. Example.
Ah,
I'm writing that.
what is your name?
Srimagalasya.
Nagalasya, ma'am.
After that, from the board, after copying from the board, you write properties of multiplication. In your textbook also you have in page number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, scroll down.